Rear collision warning. Rear collision warning prevents rear-end collisions with approaching vehicles by continuously monitoring the area behind the vehicle. It displays timely collision possible alert in the driver information display, with haptic steering feedback alert chime, and hazard lamp blinks in case of a potential collision. Warning. Rear collision warning enabled. Rear collision warning can be enabled from Drive Assist in App Drawer. Select Collision Warning under Assistance tab and enable Rear Collision Warning toggle button. Rear collision warning disabled. Rear collision warning can be turned off by flipping the toggle button again.